Assalamu alaikum little believers. Welcome back to another fun and exciting episode on Little Believers Club. Today we have a special prophet quiz to test your knowledge about the amazing prophet sent by Allah. Are you ready? Let's go. Who was the first prophet sent by Allah? Prophet Adam alayhi salam. Which prophet built a huge ark ship to save people and animals from the flood? Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. Which prophet was known as the friend of Allah? Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Which prophet was thrown into a well by his brothers but later became a powerful king? Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Which prophet was swallowed by a big fish and later saved by Allah? Prophet Yunus alayhi salam. Which prophet was given the ability to understand the language of birds and ants? Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. Which prophet's dua brought water gushing from a rock? Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Which prophet's son was left in the desert as a baby but grew up to be a great prophet too? Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. Which prophet was known for his credibility, patience, even when he lost everything? Prophet Ayub alayhi salam. Which prophet name means gift of Allah and was born to elderly parents? Prophet Yahya alayhi salam. That was so much fun. If you enjoyed this quiz, smash the like button, subscribe. Jazakallah khair for watching, and remember, keep learning about Prophet.